I'm by no means a Canna expert, and you probably know me from most of my boat videos, but I've had fun with my Cannas this year. This is my third year. First year there, my neighbor gave me about 5 bulbs. I planted them, and last year I didn't do anything with them, and I found out if you don't maintain them, they go to seed and they don't bloom. This is the end of August, and so it's been a really productive season, and I trim them back a lot, and then we have new growth that's coming up underneath, and I'm not sure if the weather will permit to let those come out and bloom, but I'm not scared to prune the lower leaves off. So I keep pretty much of the leaves away, and that way all the energy goes to the flowers. And I'll deadhead them, and some of these have been deadheaded 4 and 5 times, and I will go ahead and take all the blooms off, and they pretty well keep on blooming. Like that one right there, cut that one back once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. It's flowered this season, and I'd say it's probably the last time that one will flower. Once again, cutting the leaves off keeps the lower ones, lets them come back. And we've got the smaller ones coming up underneath that might have a chance to bloom before the year's over. There's one that's getting ready to bloom. There's one in the back. There's another one right there. This one's starting nicely. That one will do another one. That one I don't think will. Here's one I think might be done for the season, but I've cut it back once, twice, 3, 4. So it's flowered 4 times this season, and that's pretty much the average of how many times they've blossomed this year. But if you keep them trimmed back, and that one probably shouldn't have that leaf on there, because I only like to keep a few leaves on each of them, and that devotes most of the energy to the flowers. But here's another one coming in right there, and that one even hadn't finished blooming. There's another one, and another couple of them that'll open, and that one. So we're not done for the season, but I've had a really fun time dealing with Cannas this year, and I've seen some Canna experts, and their Cannas look pretty bad. They just haven't been doing what these have been doing this year. So once again, I don't know what I'm doing, but we have had a fun time doing it.